We are about ready to get started on our roughly 7-mile trail involving at least 2,200 feet in elevation gain. This will be the most strenuous trail Jess and I have ever done. Woohoo! Wow! Yeah! Sweet! Yes! Oh, baby. What a view! Well, this is Governor's Rock, and it's pretty cool in its own right, and this isn't even the end point. This is just a little teaser of reward. Jess is dancing for joy because we
made it.
Although the sign's not in the right spot.
Should be like.
Hold on. Yeah. Sorry. We got to do things right. There's even a little trail here for all the people who've been disgusted by that location. There's actually an old sign over there too. That's funny. An old sign for the summit. So here we are, the actual Table Rock summit. Yay. You might not want to do this. Except, well, never mind, it's pretty cool, but I don't know. If you do it, you got to be really careful. It's not worth it. I'm having a flashback to Looking Glass, where we hauled butt all the way out to the overlook, and I was too afraid to move. So after my last little brush, I don't feel very comfortable walking around. Let's be very careful. Oh, I was just saying that. Jesus. I'm staying here where there's brush. I mean, this isn't the only one, but this is part of it. On Table Rock view number 1. We got more to go. Slippery footing. The mountain is still oozing moisture from the rain that occurred 2 nights ago. Up here we're going to get a flat view, and this is kind of what we came here for. So we're about to get it. It's going to be nice. Well, after seeing that last view, we definitely had fears of this being a repeat of the Looking Glass experience, where we did what was the toughest trail we've ever done and ended up not being able to partake in any views because of how sketchy the overlook was. That last overlook was sketchy. This here is very nice.
So we made it. We did Table Rock, 3.5 hard miles up, 3.5 hard miles down, trying not to hurt ourselves, and some of us actually hurting ourselves. But Jason went to go grab the tripod, and he's come back to these falls right behind the visitor center. Try and capture some of them before we leave.
Mine. Got him.
Alright, well there's Table Rock. We climbed that today.
Tapped that.
Yeah, as Jason would say, we tapped that today. And sitting here, knowing we started way down in that valley and then climbed to the top of that, it's like, holy crap, that's a lot.
This bench is just perfect to sit here and like contemplate the beauty of the lake. Alright. It's also useful for other purposes. No, I still don't have enough zoom. No.
Is it the view?
Yeah, pretty much.
Alright, we finally found it. The view of Table Rock.
It's at least
The
acceptable.
only good one.
Tap that.
Stop.